Hello and welcome to this project. In this video, I'll be walking you through what this whole project is all about. So we're going to be building 3 different platforms in this project, and it will make you a complete developer at the end of the day, a full stack developer. Now, this platform we're building is simply a platform where it enables users to make payments using QR code. Now, the way it works is that a user goes with their mobile phone, installing our mobile app, and tries to shop on a website. Just at the checkout page of the shopping cart, they see a QR code to scan. So they open our mobile app, scan the QR code, and then the QR code will show them a payment page on their phone so that they can pay with their phone. You understand? They enter their credit card details and they make a payment with their phone. Once they make a payment, it will be confirmed on this website. So that's just how it works. But then as a developer, we're going to go in depth to understand exactly what happens in the background. So this is a sample website, client website. For instance, take this to be Amazon or Alibaba or any website that sells anything at all. So the website owner will come to our platform. We'll have a secret platform that is only available to these website owners. So they will come to our platform, they will sign up, and then they will list their websites. So if you have 10 websites, you will list it here. Alright? And then once they list it, they can get our API so that once somebody is on the shopping cart process, just before the checkout page, they will send a request to our platform. Their website will send a request to our platform asking for a QR code for that checkout page. So this platform will generate the QR code and return it to this website. So when the user comes to the checkout page of this e-commerce website, they will see a QR code as one of the payment options. So they open their phone, our app is there, and use our app to scan this QR code. Once they scan it, our app will make the payment request to this platform. This platform will enable this app, so the user will now see a payment page on their phone. So they'll enter their card details and make payment, or PayPal details, whatever, and make payment on the phone. So once they make payment, our platform will send a notification to this website. So the notification will contain this user's details, how much they paid, what they paid for, and all. So this website will then display a payment message to this user, and they even send emails and all. They will tell you congratulations for making a payment and whatever. So that's how it works, just in several steps. So which means even this user will have an account on this website, but we don't want them to ever log in. You understand? We don't really want them to log in on this website for any reason. So maybe we'll just during the payment process, we'll just create an account for them, or during the download process of this app, we'll create an account for them. That's just it. They never get to use this site. Alright? But the people that use this site are the webmasters. So whenever they log into this website, they can click on websites and see how many payments they have made. You get what I'm saying there? How many customers have made payments on their platform and what each customer bought. So we're keeping record of it. So this platform also contains admin and user roles, which means there will be several user roles such as admin, the overall admin. There will be moderators or staff members that manage this platform. And then there will be webmasters as a user role, and then there will be buyers or whatever, which represent these ones as a user role. So at the end of the day, we might have up to 4 different user roles. So this platform keeps track of everything. So I hope it all makes sense now, and the things you'll be learning on this course are. So here are the things you need to learn. You will learn in this course. You will learn how to build websites with Laravel. Laravel is a PHP framework, the most popular PHP framework in the world right now. And then you learn MVC, that is Model View Controller. It's a programming design pattern. You also learn object-oriented programming in this course. You will learn Android and iOS development. Honestly, I've never seen a course that combines mobile development with web development inside one course. You understand? It's amazing. It's amazing. So which means at the end of the day, you'll be a full stack developer, alright? So then this very important aspect of software development, QR code, you will learn how to integrate it into the web and use your phone to build an app that reads the QR code. You understand? It's a very important when you're building payment systems. And then you also learn APIs and microservices. It's a very important aspect of web development. In this world right now, there are two ways to build websites, or platforms. Is either you're building a monolithic platform or a microservice platform. So many developers, let me say over 80-90% of developers, just know how to build monolithic. If you don't know what is a microservice, that means you've been building monolithic all your life. A microservice is the end thing, is the main thing, you understand? So I'll teach you how to do that. Then we might also end up building an e-commerce platform. So you also learn that, even though I didn't list it here. So it's a full package course. Alright, so I'll just tell you a little about me so you know who I am in case you're watching any of my tutorials or videos for the first time. My name is Dave Partner. I'm on YouTube. I exist on YouTube at youtube.com/c/braintime.org. And what I have there is about 500 to 600 videos, tutorials on programming. You understand? So I teach programming free on YouTube. And then if you want bigger courses and better courses, I have them on Udemy. If you go to udemy.com/user/Devozalo, then you will see all my Udemy courses. And I have the best Laravel video tutorials on Udemy. So if you go to udemy.com right now and search for Laravel 5.5, my course is the first you'll see. If you search for Laravel 5.6, my courses will be the first 3 courses you will see there. So I'm always ranking high on this platform. Alright, so if you need, I release, I'm a big open source advocate, so I release a lot of open source softwares all the time. So if you go to YouTube, github.com/Devozalo, you see about 60 to 70 softwares that I've written and made open source. Alright. And then I'm on Facebook too at fb.com/Devozalo. So thank you very much. As we go ahead with this course, I hope you enjoy the full details of this course and every single video. And don't forget, if you have any question at any particular video, you can always ask the question below the video, and I'll be there firsthand to reply and help you resolve whatever issue you might be facing. All right. Thank you very much.